This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting inside the document you want to change. Make sure you're signed into your Google account. First, click File in the top menu, then choose Page Setup. This step accesses page-level settings rather than text formatting. Once done, you'll see options for paper size, margins, and page color. We're focusing on page color because it applies to the whole document. Make sure you pick the correct document version. Changing page color affects only that file, not your templates. Now that the page color control is visible, open it and scan preset swatches. These give quick, readable backgrounds. If you need an exact shade, click Custom and enter a HEX code or use the slider. This ensures brand consistency or accessibility contrast. After selecting, click OK or Apply. Google Docs will repaint the document background so you can immediately review legibility. If text contrast seems low, choose a lighter or darker background to maintain readable text without changing font. Finish by switching to print layout to confirm the background appears as intended on every page and when printed. Some viewers hide backgrounds by default. If the color doesn't save, disable extensions that alter page content or clear your browser cache, then retry. These often block script-driven UI changes. Also, make sure collaborators refresh the document to see updates. If they still don't, set the color again while they watch, so you confirm synchronization and rule out permission or network issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.